Good afternoon, students. Last class we are studied government schemes in entrepreneurial. India is effect at promoting entrepreneurship and innovation. India's effects at promoting entrepreneurship and innovation. This is a important 5-mark question, some inside 2-mark or 3-mark question this topic. Last class we are studied Startup India. Startup India means the primary stage of primarily sectors. Some new sectors is concentrating more effect in primary sector and some advice for new entrepreneurs and a fund to fund has been created help our startup gain access to the funding helps to some financial help in primary sector. Second one, Make in India. Make in India is initiative was launched on September 14th. This scheme is powerful in India's citizen and business leader and invitations to potential partners. Some designing in transfer in India, global design and manufacturing in global level. Some designs, example, this picture is what India is every year new satellite launched, new design in global level. India is in Make in India. Next one is Adult Innovation Mission. The Adult Innovation Mission is promotes of world-class innovation in entrepreneurs, some self-employments and new technological areas to improve and help for government. Next one, support to training and employment program. The woman and girl child and help in government, more scheme in establishment. Okay, students, this class we are discussed about Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile. Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile Scheme. The scheme Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile Scheme for first time in technological intervention and enable direct transfer to subsidize to intent of beneficiary and therefore eliminates all intermediaries. Some government establishing more subsidiaries, more schemes establishment, but some intermediaries, some commission is leakage the system. The government abolish the intermediaries. Eliminates the intermediaries in the subsidiaries to indent and beneficiaries and therefore eliminate all intermediaries and leakage in the system which has potential impact on the lives millions of Indian citizens. Next one, Digital India. The Digital India is government initiated in more privileges. Some financial duration period is short month is long short term period converted to long period in some government privileges. Some concessions is in establishment. The Digital India initiative as being launched to modernize the Indian economy to make all government service are available electronically. Nowadays, more government sectors, more government or private sector, but this both sectors only all recorded only in electronically. This manual system is very less only. Most of recording systematically in system wise only recorded. Manual record is very less only. The digital India is a Indian economic is a modernized economy. Change to modernized economy. The initiative aims at the transforming India into the digitally empowered society and knowledge economy with universal access to goods and services. Universal goods and services. This is a nowadays this is each and every sector. This is digital India only. Listen students, the digital India initiative has been launched to modernize Indian economy. Listen students, this is important point you underline. Digital India initiative has been launched modernize Indian economy to make government service available electronically. Bank sector full and full electronically system wise only presentations only. Electronical system is that time manual working is not the only in systematically only in electronically systems computerized full and full each and every sector full and full only in computerized. Next one, stand up India. Next one is stand up India. Stand up in India, it was launched on 2015. Stand up India 6 to leverage institutional credit for the benefits of Indian underprivileged. It is aims at the enabling economic participations of women entrepreneurs and scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and share the benefit of Indian growth with the above mentioned and categories. Towards this end, at least one woman and one individual from the SC or ST communities granted loans between 10 lakhs to 1 crore to set up the greenfield entrepreneurs and greenfield enterprises in manufacturing service or trading sector. India is more privileges is implementation. Some community wise is implementation. Some communities is improving lakhs in government schemes in 10 lakh to improve in amount is in 1 crore. That field is greenfield enterprise. This is greenfield enterprise manufacturing service or trading sector. India is stand up India is more community wise so many persons is India is backward only. That person that community persons is government identified in more schemes in government implementation. The next one is trading related entrepreneurship and assistant and development. The schemes the scheme envisages means real or true real or true envisages to address to critical issues of access to credit among India's underprivileged women to trade related entrepreneurship assistance and development program enable credit availability to interested women through non-governmental organization. As such, women can receiving support to registered in NGOs is both assessing a loan facilities, underline assessing loan facilities and receiving a counseling and training opportunity to kickstart processed enterprise in order to provide a pathway for women to take up non-farm activities. This is trade related entrepreneurship assistance and development. Its main function is some women encouraging in some women entrepreneurs. Encouraging women entrepreneurs is supporting in some entrepreneurs supported to register in assessing some loan facilities, receiving counsel, some counseling, some training opportunities, some ideas, some new technological innovation, some new ideas, some helping in that related trade related entrepreneur assistant and development scheme is main function, some training opportunities, some counseling and loan facilities in support to women entrepreneur take up stage, improve take up stage. Listen students, this each and every scheme is main motive in government some privileges, government improving in some women entrepreneurs, government helps in some facilities, some providing fund, government some issuing in new technological, some government is some electronically system and a government improving worldwide market level, improving worldwide some new technological, some advising, some innovations, creating new innovation in world class. This is main, this only main objectives for this each and every topics. Next one topic is Pradhama Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. Pradhama Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana. The flagship initiative of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneur. This is a skill certification and innovative initiative which aims to train youth in industry relevant skill to ensure the employment opportunities for livelihood creations and employability. Listen students, Pradhama Mantri Kushal Yojana, this is important 2-mark question. Everybody you note it down. This question is some one word important. The scheme is very important is some skilled, identify to some skilled person, identify to skilled persons. That skilled person identify to some training, some relevant object created in some relevant creative opportunity. This is scheme is main one is identify to skilled person, identify to skilled persons. Next one is National Skill Development Mission. National scheme. The scheme was unveiled in July 15. The scheme was launched in unveiled in July 15. This mission aims at building an synergy across the sector in the term of skill training activity. First one, Pradhama Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana is identifying some skilled person, some youth, some in motivating in some created new opportunities in created and employment creation in more employment abilities. That is Pradhama Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana scheme. But this same only the National Skill Development Mission is the scheme was unveiled. Unveiled means some new plan and some some secrets is maintaining, that is unveiled. In the missions of the aims at building of synergy across the term of skill training activity, more skill training activity. The vision is build a skilled India. It is designed to the exhibit decision making across the sector to provide skill at scale without compromising on the quality or speed. Without compromising on quality or speed. This is National Skill Development Mission is some person identify and training activities and skilled India more designed in skilled persons. India is more skilled persons is available. That person is identified and most and designed skilled India. What do you mean by skilled India means? This answer only you write. National Skill Development Mission. What do you mean by National Skill Development Mission, or what do you explain skilled India? Everybody note it down. Explain skilled India. Next one, Science for Equality, Empowerment and Development. SEED. Science for Equity, Empowerment and Development. The SEED aims to provide opportunities to motivated scientists. India is more persons in more field in more scientist person. That person is identified. India is developed country. No, in India is growth country only. India is more person in India. Indian person is scientist persons only. More the Saturday government each and every year 6 month once one new satellite launch in each and every sector. India is medicine, new methods, each and every sector implementation in new methods. India is science and equity or empowerment and development is provided to opportunity to motivated in scientists. Underline students, this scheme is motivated only in scientists and field level workers to undertake the action oriented, the location specific project for socio-economic gain and particularly the rural area. The Science for Equity, Empowerment and Development emphasize equity in the development so that the benefits of technology accrue to the vast section of the population, particularly is disadvantaged. Some drawback, vast section, some drawback in population growth in particularly some disadvantages. One new methods or new innovations means one percentage of the persons only that implementation is very easy, but India is overpopulation growth means some innovation means not successful in India. This scheme is the Science for Equity, Empowerment and Development scheme is motivated in scientists. Okay, students, this is E. This is a very important one. In more inside question in one 2 mark or 3 mark question, this lesson is compulsory. This question only. Any one heading, each and every heading is important only. You thorough is this 11 heading. Each and every student, you thorough this question. In some inside question is compulsory this 11 headings. Okay, students, next one day we will meet next one topic. Dear students, do not waste your time. You 12th standard students, you more responsibility. You do not waste your time. Every day you read and write some questions in home test. Improve this time using improve your reading skill or improve your handwriting. Okay, students, do not waste your time, students. Okay, thank you.